Hello students, once again welcome to one and all. In previous lecture, third unit was completed. In today, we are going to start unit number 4, Computer Application in Commerce. In this unit, we will cover the first topic, Introduction to Computer Application and Computer Application in various fields of commerce. Lecture number 1. First, Introduction to Computer Application. Computer application address the need and scope of the use of computer software in addressing the business sectors. Standard of computer data from business application also produce a wonderful combination of business requirement and provide scope to digitize and collect the information for use by industry to help in future days. Okay. So students, it has a great need to use computer application in business because world become a global market and everyone want to buy a good quality product and ideas. One can share our ideas through computer application, sell our ideas and discuss about new product. A computer has high speed of calculation, diligence, accuracy, reliability or versatility, which has made it an integrated part in all business organizations. And in the present day, with the help of computers, shop and supermarket can easily calculate the bills as well as accounting, tax calculation and payment can be done online. Even major stock market use computer with some software for online trading. And business organization can also predict their business future with the use of artificial intelligence software. There are many organizations that are fully automated. Next, there are so many computer applications in various fields of commerce. We will see one by one. First is banking sector. So students, computer perform a very important function in the banking industry as it provide the technology for the bank to carry out transaction and update them in real time. The bank customer also benefit from the above as with the linking of computer and ATM. People can have access to their money at any time of the day. Online banking is a principal outcome of the use of computer technology in banking. And customer can pay their utility bill or insurance premium, manage account, transfer fund within account or outside from the comfort of their home. It would have been very hard for bank to provide smooth customer service daily without computers. With the help of computers, bank can save time and money in processing the various operations. Okay, and computers are used in a bank to store information about the customer such as their name, date of birth, phone number, place of employment, address and social security numbers. With the use of such information, the bank is able to stay in touch with its customer and make them aware of the policies of the bank. And bank uses customer address to send monthly statement. So students, most of the time customer are called at regular interval by bank personnel for offering new bank services. For this, information is required to recognize that which product and services a customer is already entertaining. All this information regarding product and services is stored in the computer. So, it is the most important application of a commerce. Next is insurance. The life is full of uncertain. People for insurance purely for the reason of uncertain in life. Insurance gives the insurer a kind of peace of mind as he is assured to making up the loss in the event of such a uncertain in a life happen. Insurance companies and stockbroking firms use the computerized data processing system. Large volume of data have been processed for the preparation of policy statement, interest calculation, renewal notice and in dealing with the securities. And student, insurance companies are keeping all record up to date with the help of computers. Insurance companies, finance houses and stockbroking firms are widely using computers for their concern. Next is e-governance. E-governance software help the government to provide better, faster, transparent citizen services by way of catering to a large segment of population cutting across geographic location. And the efficient use of e-governance application services provide benefits such as decrease in duplication of work, low communication cost, increased transparency in functioning of various departments and improvement effectiveness. And the government uses computer to manage its own operation and also for e-governance. The website of the different government department provide information to the user. Computers are used for the filing of income tax return, paying tax, online submission of water and electricity bill to access of land record detail, etc. And the police department uses computer to search for criminal using fingerprint matches, etc. Next is purchasing. Purchasing is the activity of acquiring goods or services to accomplish the goal of an organization. Without computer and internet connection, there is no possibility of purchasing a product and services. A purchasing process typically covers the purchase of all items from office supplies to major capital investment. Such a thing like invoice, stock check, purchase order, prepare payroll, purchase progress report and other standardized document form can be exchanged directionally between computer system for automatic processing. Next is personal administration. Personal administration is concerned with the people at work, their relationship within an organization. It refers to the entire spectrum of an organization interaction with its human resources from recruitment activity to retirement process. Personal administration is another term for a human resource job. Duties of a personal administrator include hiring and training employees, carrying out evaluation and handling employees' grievances. The computer application in human resource management is the manager applications of computer use, which is usually known as management information system. Computer convert the data into meaningful information needed by manager to make decision, planning and control. Another application, accounting. Students, accuracy decide the success of any business. The financial status can be checked by using accounting software and ledgering system. So many businesses are using such a type of software and system. Separate journals were kept for different accounts including receivable, account payable, inventory record, and so on. It was an expensive, laborious, and slow process. Students, computer is an important part of an accounting system. Computerized accounting system is a software that helps business to manage the big financial transaction, data, report, and statement with high efficiency, speed, and better accuracy. Better quality work, lower operating cost, better efficiency, and so on. Accounting without computer present at a high risk for human error. Accounting software allow business to simply input their financial data and instantly see gains and losses. All necessary tax reports are available the moment the data is entered. Using computer for invoice, managing expenses and calculating payroll is important for ensuring financial data is as accurate as possible. Nowadays, business are increasingly the accuracy of accounting by using the computerized system. So, computerized accounting system are important to business in various ways. Okay. Next is stockbroking. Stockbroking firm also make use of computer. Here, conditions and requirement are similar to those in banking. Using computer, large file of information have to be written and update interest rate and renewal notice have to be prepared and payment made. In the buying and selling of a stock and share, various calculation have to be made, contract note down up and file consult and amended. Stockbroking is a service which gives the retail and institutional investor the opportunity to buy and sell equity. Stockbroker will trade share both on exchange and over the counter dependent on where they can find the best price and liquidity. Okay, so these all are the computer application in various fields of commerce. So today we saw the introduction of a computer application and their uses in various fields of commerce. Thank you.